Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best neoprene seat covers on Amazon. If you want to replace your old and worn-out car seat covers with better covers that protect your seats from spills, mud, dirt, and grime, then consider neoprene seat covers. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Motor Trend All Protect Seat Covers. The Motor Trend All Protect seat covers are sleek looking and blend right into the seats. The cover is versatile in nature and is designed to fit on all models of vans, double cab trucks, cars, and SUVs. Best of all, the cover features a soft padded layer of poly-molded material, increasing its comfortability. The cover is available in 3 different colors, so you can match your origin seat covers or add some flair to your car. Another great aspect of the cover is its waterproof lining. Which, let's face it, accidentally spilling a drink in the car is bound to happen. It is even great for protecting the seats against scratches from kids or pets. It is also simple to install and slip right over the seats. However, if your seats have armrests, you will be out of luck with this cover, as it does not include anywhere for the armrests to poke through. Number 2. Gorilla Premium Universal Seat Cover. Gorilla is a premium universal seat cover that fits almost all vehicles. It forms a protective barrier against dirt, sand, grime, and pet fur. The product is also water and sunscreen protected. It features a unique anti-slip backing coupled with integrated straps that keep the covers in place, no matter how much you move around in your seat. Furthermore, the covers won't stick to your skin when it's hot and you are sweaty. The seat covers are 54 inches long and 21.25 inches wide for complete coverage of your car seat. The seating surface is made up of nylon with a blend of 0.12 inches of neoprene for a comfortable seating surface that doesn't stick to the skin. As a bonus, Gorilla includes a free seat belt cover to protect your seatbelts from sweat and wearing out. Number 3. FH Group Neoprene Blend Seat Cover. The FH Group Neoprene Blend Bucket Seat Cover is made from neoprene fabric, which forms a defensive layer against water spills, food, pet fur, as well as wear and tear. The covers feature 0.11 inches of EVA foam padding that make your sitting experience more enjoyable, especially on long drives. Moreover, they have an ergonomic and sporty look that improves the aesthetics of your car. The covers are semi-customized to fit almost all car seats and come with a detachable headrest cover. Adjustable straps and a concealed Velcro opening help with easy installation and removal of the covers. The covers are machine washable and can be air dried without the risk of shrinking. Additionally, the product comes in a variety of visually appealing colors, and it's suitable for passenger cars, SUVs, and trucks. Number 4. Smittable Neoprene Seat Cover Set. This neoprene seat cover set will protect a 2013 15 4-door Jeep Wrangler JK. It features a black-on-black material for seamless styling. The set comes with 2 covers for the front seats and 1 large cover for the back seat. They're made entirely of neoprene, making them both durable and protective. What's really nice about this cover is that you can choose from a few different color options. If all black isn't your taste, there's black and gray, black and light tan, and black and red. They're also simple and straightforward to install. The covers come rolled up in the box so that there are no creases or fold lines. Unfortunately, they may not fit as perfectly as promised. You should double-check with the manufacturer that you're ordering the correct covers for your vehicle year, make, and model. In addition, the colors are slightly off from the pictures online. Number 5. Rough Country Water-Resistant Front and Rear Neoprene Seat Covers. You can outfit your entire truck and protect all of the seats in your F250 or F150 with this seat cover set from Rough Country. They're a sleek black color, so they look good in any interior. These covers are very durable due to their 4-layer construction. They have neoprene foam padding and a protective polyester shell. The neoprene is water-resistant, breathable, and UV-resistant. The soft cushioning of these covers will make your stiff truck seats more comfortable. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.